I've learned many different skills at Seneca, including leadership, accountability, time management, and many more that have helped me throughout my career.
During my time at Seneca, I've learned a lot more about my time management and tried to overcome my deep-rooted procrastination.
I've learned numerous skills such as making effective presentations and public speaking. So that's really been a big emphasis in courses that I've taken.
At Seneca, I've learned skills of time management and efficiency, which will help me to plan out my future and have success in that.
Extracurriculars I've done at Seneca, like marching band, jazz band, and others, have helped me grow as a person by teaching me accountability, persistence, time management, and other skills that I'll use throughout my career and my life.
At Seneca, I've held leadership positions in student government, such as secretary and treasurer, and then I'm also co-emperor of Latin Club. They've all taught me how to be a role model for my peers and be held responsible for planning and attending events.
My extracurricular activities at Seneca have helped me grow out of my shyness as a person and have given me an amazing confidence in myself and has taught me personal and professional speaking skills as well as a sense of leadership where I feel like I'm able to help my community and my classmates and peers.
As part of the tennis team, I faced numerous challenges, such as, dealing with injury or not being sure if I'm going to be able to pull out the win when I'm faced with a difficult situation. So I've learned how to persevere in those circumstances.
The staff at Seneca have been really helpful in helping find the right career for me, helping find colleges that fit me.
Seneca offers so many college level courses and AP classes that I can get credit for, and allowed me to feel a lot more confident for transitioning into college.
Seneca has helped prepare me for college with the amazing teachers and resources, including study groups. Different classmates have helped support me tremendously, and I've had different experiences after school being able to study and prepare myself for different assignments and tests as well.
A lot of the classes that I've taken, a lot of the AP classes, are rigorous, which is very similar to the environment that I would be in college. So that helps me feel prepared for the challenges that I'll face in college.
I feel very confident that Seneca's prepared me to go on to college and start my future career because I've received so much support from my peers and my teachers here.
Seneca has given me a great confidence in my ability to succeed after high school.
I've learned in an environment where I've been supported by those around me, whether it be the students or the staff, and I've learned what my true passions are and how to chase after them.
The school has helped prepare me tremendously for my academics as well as my social future. I feel like I am able to get into a good school and find success within that school and eventually find a career that will help challenge me, but also push me to become a better version of myself.